It's getting to be that time of year again, guys. The holidays are coming up, and that means it's time to decorate. Today I'm going to show you how to turn Christmas lights into something more unique. One of the things I love about this project is how inexpensive it is. All you need is your basic strand of Christmas lights, regular printing paper, and a pair of scissors. Using these materials, we're going to make these cube-shaped paper lanterns. Our first step in this project is to take this 8.5 by 11 sheet of regular printing paper and make it a square. An easy way to do this without using any measuring tools is to take one of the corners and carefully fold it so that the edges match. This will leave a triangle and this rectangle of excess paper. Take the scissors and cut just that rectangle right off. Once that's removed, you now have a square sheet of paper. The next step is to fold diagonal lines in your piece of paper. Fold diagonally from one corner to the other. Then repeat with the other corners. Flip your paper over and fold horizontally in both directions. Now you're going to make a triangle by pressing in right here and then pressing in there to flatten it out. Next, take the corners of the triangle. There will be 2 flaps of paper. You take the corners of the flap on top and fold them in to make a square. Flip it over and do the same on the other side. Now you're going to take this corner and fold it over so that it meets just touching the middle crease. Flip it over and repeat on the other side. Now on one corner, you'll find that all of the papers are connected. You'll go on the other side, where these 2 flaps are, and fold them outward so that it looks like that. Take each flap and fold it back in so that it meets evenly along these flaps. Now you're going to carefully separate this so that it's open, and take the smaller flaps and tuck it inside. Repeat all of those on the other side. Take the flaps and fold them outward, kind of like little wings. Take the triangle and fold it back in. Open up the flaps and tuck the smaller triangle inside. All right, now your final step is to inflate your paper lantern. On one side, it'll be an even corner, and on the other, you'll see a little hole. Place your lips to the hole and blow. And there you have it, kind of a paper lantern. Now that you have completed your paper lantern, all that's left is to attach it to one of the bulbs on your strand of lights. Simply select a bulb and using the small hole at the top of the lantern, insert the bulb into it. And there you have it. You just turned an ordinary strand of Christmas lights into your own unique way of decorating.